sandbox. We're using the turtle to play around with some different colored lists. And this is pretty simple. So you won't probably spend a ton of time on this. That's why I kind of gave you the other exercise to play with. But this will allow you to play around with a list here. And if you want to take this list and alphabetize it or change the values or do different things with that list, you can see this is a simple script that you can play around with fairly easily. But all it does is draw increasingly large circles in rainbow colors. So you can play around and submit that for a point. And if you want to practice using that quote, that is in the files for download this week. So if you go to the sample files here, you can see you can download that quote. And the fruit demo is what we will cover next time. That's going to use some, next time we'll get into some nested dictionaries, which is what we'll be using for our assignment this week. So we're going to continue to press on into more difficult territory, but for now, I would just get familiar with using lists and typing indexes and addressing indexes and that sort of thing. That will be a good enough start for now.